Today we're going to do a little demo on how to use these RockMount thread inserts. So as a kit, RockMount sends out the inserts, the required drill bit. So we're going to give you a little demonstration on how to install these little thread inserts from RockMount. They're geared up for maintenance installs, so you do it in the press or in the machine or in the field. They're self-tapping, so we're going to put one in and show you how it's done. So I'm going to use a little bit of cutting fluid. Try to get as square as you can. All right, we drilled out the old hole, the old threads. All right, when you thread on the threaded insert onto a standard bolt, make sure that these little holes aren't covered up, because that's what's going to do the tapping when it's screwed in. So when you screw the bolt in, make it just shy of those holes, and then bring the jam nut in. You're probably going to have to get this started a little bit just to make sure it's good and tight, right? So just tighten up on it, and now we're just going to drive it in. It should pretty much self-center. Once you get started, you have to go back in and make sure the nut's nice and snug. All right, snug that. That way the insert's held. Just drive it in until it's flush. Now the charts give you exact thread depths, drills to use, and everything. So hold the top, back the nut off. And then that one's got a nice hard insert, ready for whatever else you got to use this for. All the pull force data and all the information about these inserts are on RockMount's website. So if you're looking for a 55 to 60 Rockwell insert, RockMount definitely has your insert for you. Go out on their website and check it out.